Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beyond IT Technology. And in this video, I wanted to show you guys the top 5 cybersecurity courses for beginners. In this video, I'm going to mention where you can find these courses, the approximate range, like how much they cost, and a little description about what you can learn in these courses. So let's get started with the video. So this first one is Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. In the beginning, I forgot to mention, but in this video, it's not like ranked, so I'm not ranking these certificates like from worst to best. It's just in random. I just placed them randomly. These are top 5 in my opinion. So the Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate is obviously from Google. Some places where you can find it is in Google or Coursera. It usually takes 6 months to complete. It also depends on what's your pace, how fast you can complete this course. If you have more free time, you can complete it more faster. If you're a little bit of a more busy person, you have jobs and work, then it might take you a little bit more or 6 months. The price is around $49 per month, even though I think you can find it for cheaper if you really dig into that. And if that's something you guys are interested in trying to find, like where you guys can find the cheapest courses, you can leave me a comment in the comment section below. I don't know why I started with that. And I can help you guys. I can do some research and I can find like the most cheapest options. Some information is what this course is it's designed to teach you the fundamentals of cybersecurity. So cybersecurity concept, attacks, and defenses. It is a great option for beginners who want to learn the basics of cybersecurity. So if you're someone who doesn't know anything about cybersecurity, this course is going to be good for you, and it's just going to give you the most fundamental things you need to know about cybersecurity. So this one, it actually has 4 courses. They're all called the Complete Cybersecurity course. Platform is Udemy. I used Udemy when I started cybersecurity. I have certificates from there too. The certificates are not hard at all. It's educational, but the tests, to get it, because I took some pretty hard certificate tests that took a while, and the tests were you had to do programming and stuff and finding attacks and just all of those things. It's not like that. Well, I don't think the ones that I took weren't like that. The ones that I took were more like questions, like what you learned in those videos, and it asks you questions about that, and after you answer, you pass, you get the certificate. It's 14 hours long. The price is around $19. To tell you a little bit of a secret, Udemy has this thing for people who are new. When you go onto their on their website, you can find courses. They used to be $50 or $60, but then once you go there the few first times, it will be very cheap. From 50 it can go to 19, or it can go to 8. That's how I got my first certificates, for really, really cheap. I actually saw these courses. I didn't take them though. I took cybersecurity and healthcare and another cybersecurity one. But these courses covers a wide range of cybersecurity topics, including ethical hacking, penetration testing, and incident response. It is a good option for beginners and intermediate learners who want to learn more about the different aspects of cybersecurity. So if that sounds something you want to do, check it out. So this cybersecurity course is called Complete Cybersecurity Bootcamp 0 to Mastery. The platform is also Udemy. It takes around 21 hours, still depending on your schedule, how much time you can give for your learning. So it all depends on that. This course is a comprehensive boot camp that covers everything you need to know about cybersecurity, from the basics to advanced topics. It is a good option for serious learners who want to learn everything they can about cybersecurity. Also, any of these courses, if you want to find them, you can just copy what it says. If you want to find this one, you can just input in Udemy Complete Cybersecurity Bootcamp 0 to Mastery, and it will pop this course up. So just enter the titles and you'll find the courses. So Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate. platform EDX. You can also find it on Microsoft. This one takes 3 months, around approximately 3 months. The price ranges around $139 per month. You can find it a little bit cheaper if you try. This one is more of like the technical, like where you have to actually do things like some programming. This course is designed to teach you the skills you need to become a cybersecurity analyst. It covers topics such as security fundamentals, incident responses, and threat intelligence. It is a good option for learners who want to pursue a career in cybersecurity. So this one is a little bit more complex because it's not just learning about cybersecurity, it's also learning of how to program and analyze threats. So that's what Microsoft Cybersecurity Analyst Professional Certificate is. So if that's something that you sound interested in and you want to learn about cybersecurity and how to program, this is a course for you. So this one is Cybersecurity Specialization. For some reason, I cannot pronounce that word. You can find it on Coursera. It's around 9 months. It's around $39 per month. This certificate, however, lets you, when you pass all the 9 months and you pass the test and you get the certificate itself, you actually qualify for entry-level jobs. So if that's something you're interested in, this specialization is a series of courses that covers a wide range of cybersecurity topics. It is a good option for learners who want to get a comprehensive understanding of cybersecurity. So if that's something like you want to do, if you want to try cybersecurity just at an entry level, take this course, get a job, and just see if cybersecurity is yours. It's not that long of a certificate, it's not the longest one. So if that's something you're interested in, I say go ahead. Like that, the video's come to an end. I want to thank everyone for watching my video to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click on the bell to receive my new updates for my videos. I post my videos every Monday and Friday. And also, if you guys have any questions, just leave me a comment and I will answer them. And I will try to help you guys out as much as I can. See you guys in the next video.